Nestled in the foothills of the Pollino National Park, overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea, is Santa Domenica Talao. And for those who are familiar with our channel, you know that this is where Pete and I live out our Italian dream. Santa Domenica Talao overlooks the Lao River and the Lao River Plain, which stretches out to the sea. Scalea is a mere 6 kilometers down the hill, and all of the beaches and services of a large southern Italian town are within easy distance, while this gorgeous little hill town still retains the charm, beauty, and community of a small Italian town. Our mayor, Alfredo Lucchesi, has been instrumental in providing all of the necessary advancements needed for a safe and comfortable life in Santa Domenica Talao. Recently, he's installed fiber optic lines for fast internet Wi-Fi and has put in public Wi-Fi hotspots all over the village. But the history of this beautiful little town remains intact. The food is spectacular, and the festivals and events are unforgettable. Nestled as it is in the Pollino National Park, you not only get spectacular sea views from up there, but you also get amazing views of the mountains. All in all, this is a vibrant community celebrating life, love, and each other. Toward the back of the village, close to the upper piazza, lies this house on Via San Francesco. Via San Francesco runs along the back of the village, and parking is right outside your door. The house itself covers 2 floors and 100 square meters. It has a balcony and a terrace, and although it's structurally in good shape, there are cosmetics needed to make it homey and comfortable. Happily, our architect, Antonello Lucchesi, who also happens to be the brother of our beautiful mayor, is brilliant, and he would love nothing better than to go over each space and help you coordinate them so that you can have your own Italian dream house. In this video, I haven't indicated which rooms are which because you can restructure certain areas and set it up pretty much how you like. And I didn't want to give you the impression of how things originally were, except for the kitchen with the fireplace is pretty much self-explanatory. So with a little love and some brilliant design touches by you and Antonello and our builder Salvatore, you can make this into something really special for very much less than what you would pay to renovate an entire ruin. Although you're situated toward the back of the village and it looks a long way on the map, it really isn't. Santa Domenica Talao is relatively small, so you literally are just steps away from the piazza, from the bar Chiazza where you're going to get your morning coffee and cornetto, and from Nuncia's market, and really all of the services and all of the central activities. So it's a beautiful property. It could be something very, very special. It's laid out pretty well, and structurally it doesn't need a lot. So I consider this a pretty darn good value for the size of the property and everything that you get. Being higher up on the hill and toward the back of the village, you do have a balcony and a terrace that give you amazing views, which can be really, really maximized when you get with Antonello on how to refinish your terrace. Please enjoy the rest of the pictures that you find here, and if you're interested, shoot me an email. I'm at info@supersavvytravelers.com. Stay tuned to this channel because we will have more properties here as soon as Pete and I get over there in April. We'll be able to video things and put a lot more content on the channel. But this is just to whet your appetite and to get you started thinking about the possibilities that you can find in our beautiful village of Santa Domenica Talao. We'll see you soon. Ciao for now.